Okay, ladies, we're back to our peppers. I've given my silicone time to dry a little bit, so we're gonna finish putting on the last 14 pieces of this. It's helpful, I think, if you have, these are all in numerical order, right side up. So yeah, I think it's helpful if you have your cutting guide. I've kind of looked at this so much that I kind of know where most of it goes. So this one is the next one up, and it goes right there. This is piece number 11. I'm going to push it down in the middle and let the edges stick up a little bit and try and line up my yellow pepper that's going to go on right here. I'm going to pull it up over it a little bit like that. Then this is number 12. It's a little piece. I've noticed because I shape these and let them set for a while, they tend to be a little curlier than I wanted them to be. So just be aware that because some of these pieces are pretty small, that you may have to flatten them out a little bit to put them back on. So this one goes, right there. Oops. So we're going to push him over a little bit. Matched our little light green edges. Remember, the silicone is going to move. So you're going to be constantly adjusting it a little bit until it gets set up. Then one of the last things that I like to do, especially with a piece like this that has so many surfaces on it, is once I get all my pieces on and my silicone is set up, then I will take a marker and look for uncolored edges. And I guarantee you, you'll find some. Even though you think you've done a really good job, there are always going to be a few edges that you've missed. So once you're done and everything's set, take and turn your piece of art in all four directions looking for uncolored edges. And you will find some. You always do. Because what will happen if you don't do that is there will be a tiny little white edge that only you will see, and it'll drive you nuts. And you only get to see it once you get it in the frame. It's Murphy's Law. And that's the last thing you want to do is close it up if it's inside a picture frame and then realize that you have a white edge you didn't color. It's very annoying. So this is our leaf that goes on this way. I have it upside down. So this is our little leaf that goes right here. Actually, I'm going to make a judgment call. Hang on just a second.